Today's video we are going to see mathematical function in C, chapter number 5, function. My name is Professor Pokharkar MS, HOD, Computer Engineering Department, Samartha Polytechnic, Belly. So, mathematical function in C language are defined into the header file. The name of header file is math.h. Now math.h contains various methods for performing mathematical operations such as square root, power, POW, cell, floor, etc. Now let us see all the functions one by one. The first mathematical function, that is cell. Now let us see the syntax of the cell. Cell having only one parameter, that may be the number. Okay, that number may be floating point number. Now it rounds up the given number, but it rounds up the given number and it returns the integer value which is greater than or equal to given number. Now for example, suppose number is 5.7 here. If we are writing here 5.7, then it round up this given number and return the 6, because 6 is higher than 5.7. Let us see the example. Now if we see this example, header file stdio.h, math.h, because we are using mathematical function int main. Then here if we can see here cell and here cell. Here we have written 3.6, here we have written 3.3 and written 0, and we are displaying this value. So we are returning the value, that is 4.0, 4.0. Here in the output we are getting the value 4.0 and 4.0. Why? Because it returning the higher value than the given value, so that here returning the value 4. Okay, now let us see the next function. Next function is the floor. Floor is also returning the integer value, but this integer value is less than or equal to the given number. Okay, here mention as a less than or equal to the given number. Now let us see the syntax of the floor. 1 minute, I am changing the ink color because I am not able to highlight properly. Okay, now here floor function, it return the which is a less than or equal to the given number. Okay, it also round up the number, but it rounds down the given number. In cell we have seen that it round up the given number, it round down the given number, and it return the integer value which is less than or equal to given number. Let us see the example. Now here in floor function we have written here floor 3.6 and here floor 3.2. Okay, so 3.6 also returning the value 3 and 3.2 also returning the value 3, because it round down the given integer value. Now next example is SQRT. Now SQRT return the square root of the given number. Now the number is anything, it return the square root. Now let us see in this example, we are returning the calculating the square root of 16. So square root of 16 is a 4. Here we are getting the value 4.0000. Okay, this is the output of this program. Now suppose now 16 square root is simple 4, but the number which is square root is not calculated, like number 7, SQRT 7. So its square root is also calculated, that value is 2.645751. Okay, this is the SQRT function, that is calculating the square root. Now next function POW. POW, it is a short form of the power. Okay, now here it having two parameter, base and exponent. Okay, suppose this value is x and this value is y, so it return the value, that is x raised to y. Okay, it's return the power of given number. Now let us see the example. Now here suppose we have written power 2 4 and here power 3 3. So 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 means power of 2, that is 4. Fourth power of 2. So it is a 16. And here 3 raised to 3. The cube of 3, that is a 27. Okay, so this is a use for calculating the power. Now next function absolute. Now absolute function, it return the absolute value of given number. Now absolute value means suppose the parameter is suppose here 5 minus 5, so return the plus 5, or parameter is 5, it return the 5. This absolute value means it return the negative sign if given here. If the number is with negative sign, it remove its negative sign. Let us see the example. Now here parameter is here absolute function we are using. Now absolute function return always integer value. Here minus 12. So minus 12 it return the negative sign and return the value just 12. Okay. So you can run all the programs, but in GDB compiler, but you cannot run this absolute program. Remaining program you can run on the screen. Okay. So all these things we have seen from the mathematical function in C. I hope that you understand it. Okay. Still, if you are having any doubt, you can ask.